Welcome. Today, we'll be guiding you through the installation process of the FAME Touch Vacuum Delivery System. This reliable system offers control and flexibility during assisted vaginal and cesarean deliveries. Let's begin by unpacking the system. Carefully remove all components from the box and lay them out on a clean surface. Step 1. Keep the wheel part of the trolley down for stability. Step 2. Fix the rod of the trolley using the knob on it. Step 3. Secure the table of the trolley on the rod by tightening the knob. Step 4. Place the vacuum motor on the trolley table. Step 5. Attach the side jar of the filter to the vacuum motor using the provided hook. Step 6. Connect the motor tube to the out knob of the filter jar. Step 7. Locate the power connection point on the lower right side of the motor and connect the power cord. Step 8. Connect the foot switch on the left side of the motor. Step 9. Connect the chosen vacuum cup by attaching a 2-meter silicone tube to the other side of the filter jar. Step 10. Place the foot switch on the floor within easy reach. Step 11. Turn on the system using the on-off switch on the motor's front right side. Observe the indicator light. Step 12. Briefly press the foot switch to raise the vacuum level. You should hear a quiet hum from the motor. Step 13. Release the pressure by pressing the foot switch again. Congratulations! You've successfully assembled the FAME Touch Vacuum Delivery System. Remember, for detailed instructions on sterile cup application and proper use during delivery procedures, always refer to the user manual provided with the FAME Touch system.